Imagine transforming any text into a professional video with an AI presenter. In minutes, why you're welcome to Synthesia. Let's dive into how you can harness the power of Synthesia AI to create captivating video content first. Head over to Synthesia and sign up for an account to access your dashboard. From your dashboard, simply click on Create Video. This will take you to the core of Synthesia, where you can choose from a wide array of AI avatars. These avatars are incredibly realistic and come with a variety of ethnicities, ages, and speaking styles to best suit your message. Now, it's time to bring your message to life in the designated text box. Paste or type the script you want your AI presenter to say. Synthesia supports numerous languages, so you can reach a global audience with ease. Beyond the avatar, you can customize the visual background, choose from preset professional backgrounds, upload your own company branding, or even add engaging stock footage to enhance your video's impact. To further engage your viewers, you can easily add media elements. Click the Add Media button to upload images, your company logo, or even short video clips to seamlessly integrate into your presentation. Once your script and visuals are ready, hit the Generate Video button. Synthesia's AI will then process your input and render a high-quality video featuring your chosen avatar delivering your script. After the generation is complete, you'll be presented with your polished video. You can then preview it, make any final adjustments if needed, and most importantly, download it ready for distribution across your training platforms, marketing channels, or personalized communications. With Synthesia, you can democratize video creation, making professional, engaging content accessible to everyone. Start transforming your text into impactful videos today.